Today I'm going to be making some tortilla chips. I'm going to make them two different ways. One is savory and the other is sweet. The recipe is super simple. The kids can help every step of the way and they're going to enjoy eating them too. All you need is a package of tortillas and a few simple ingredients, and let's get cooking.
I'm going to be starting with the savory tortilla chips. So I'm going to use a spinach wrap. They're delicious. They give just the right amount of added flavor, and it's a great way to sneak more veggies in. So I'm going to take my pizza cutter and cut the wrap into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to put them on a baking sheet and spray them with oil. You can season them with whatever you like. Today I'm going to use garlic salt. Then you're going to bake them in a preheated 375-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping and seasoning halfway through until they're lightly golden brown. Today I'm serving these with salsa and plain Greek yogurt for dipping and some vegetables. Now I'm going to get started on the sweet tortilla chips. So I'm just using a flour wrap, cutting it into bite-sized pieces, placing on a baking sheet. These are prepared the same as the savory chips, we just season them differently. Now I'm going to spray them with oil, and for the seasoning, I'm going to sprinkle with cinnamon sugar. And these bake the same way, 375-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping and seasoning halfway through until golden brown. And I'm serving these with Greek strawberry yogurt for dipping and some fruit. I called my kids for snack time and they helped themselves. These are always a hit with my family, and I bet they will be with yours too.